All right, welcome to Sunday Night Futures. Um, this is my real account. I started a um, private or personal account last week, so already in and out here. About 20-25 bucks just on one micro. So got out, went ahead and got out. So now I'm going to switch that off, and I will trade on Trade for Take Profit Trader, and then Topstep X. I have a let's see what I have on top. I've got a XFA here on Topstep X. I only did one trade on it on Friday. Just a quick 50 bucks in and out, and so this is a new XFA here, and so I'll be trading that as well. Let me get this set up right. Yeah, so I'm gonna trade the XFA tonight, and tomorrow, and see how far I get on that. So nice gap up here. I also bought a call for Monday, SPX, so I'm hoping that'll be green tomorrow, Monday. Tomorrow morning, I think we're just running. Are we running full day? I guess we're probably just running full day tomorrow. It is a government holiday, and a banking holiday, so I don't know if now you can see me. I don't know if they'll run a. I think they're gonna run a full day tomorrow. I don't know why they wouldn't, but I think they're gonna run a full day tomorrow. But nice gap up here, start the week. You should be able to see something now, Alex. I just switched. I didn't realize I needed to switch the transition. But yeah, so I'm out in my personal account. Made the profit and then got out. But this is the Top Step XFA. So this is their funded account. And then I did start a new Take Profit Trader account. Um, I bought earlier, so I've got to log into that. I I'm so confused because um I thought that the new okay, so now it's showing okay, so now it's showing Trade prop. But I'm still confused because when I logged in earlier, it still looked the same as Trade. Like there's nothing. Okay, so I guess the charts are changed. So they don't look any different to me. Like this does not look any different to me than like regular Trade. I'm so confused because I thought they were supposed to be using trading view charts. So I'm so confused as to why Trade doesn't look any different than it did before. Like, but they're calling it Trade prop and Ninja Trader prop. But this looks no different to me than before. Like, I don't know. I'm very confused. Like all the menus are the same, and I hate Trade charts. Like I can't stand them. Um, I much prefer Top Step X or Project X or Trading View. So I don't understand what's supposed to be different. I I mean all this is the same. All these menus are the same. Everything like I just it makes no sense to me. It says trade from integrated trading view charts, but there's no different than what Trade was. Like these charts are not different. So I don't understand what's happening there. It makes no sense to me. So I don't know if anybody has any tips or anything. I don't understand. This looks no different to me than actually Trade. Like I don't know. I'm just confused. So yeah, my the money in my personal account has been made. I may trade it a little more. Um, once I see if we're going to break this opening range or not. I don't really per se do an opening range breakout trade, but this you could view this as a broadening formation. So, um, I mean, I got nothing to anchor this bottom to since we had the gap. I guess we could just do it like that. So, and view this just as a broadening formation, which means we're not going to get out of here, until one side or the other breaks. Um, I'm hoping this is good for my call though that I bought. Obviously, I tend to treat my XFA and also my personal account different than I do, an evaluation account. Probably shouldn't, but I just feel like that's probably normal. Um, but if you guys are new to my channel, I appreciate you tuning in. I do primarily trade the strat. That was invented by Rob Smith, but I also do have an indicator. It is not on TradeOvate, it is on TradingView. This is the indicator here on the 2 minute. You can see. So what this does, it will not show it on a daily. It will show it on an hourly time frame and a 4 hour, but not on a daily. But what this indicator does, and you can, you know, if you guys want access to it, you can message me, and I'll give you access to it. But basically, what this does is, and it draws these levels here, and you can make it go back like 3 sessions. It'll also do the Asia and London session boxes if you want those as well. Um, so once those are complete, it will show the Asia London sessions. But basically, what this is, it's a math calculation based upon the open price. And it's kind of like pivots. So price should hit these pivots. At some point, it calculates 8 levels up and down. And then you can just trade it accordingly. It also does work on gold. I had a friend who, or someone I've been talking to. She actually got her first payout by using it on gold. So I was happy for her that she was able to do that, and to use the indicator, with gold. So, um, that's, I think, is a testament not only to her but also to the success of the indicator. It will not tell you what to do. That is up to you as to how you interpret the levels, but this will draw out the levels. It will somewhat work on MNQ or NQ, but it is not calculated for NQ. It is calculated specifically for ES. But some people have been using it with success with NQ as well. But again, it is not calculated for NQ. So once you go beyond, I'm still working on the math for NQ. It is much more difficult to calculate than ES or gold. But that's why it specifically works on gold as well. Or not specifically, but why it also works on gold as well, because gold pretty much will have roughly the same movement as ES, or the same amount of points that it is projected to move during the session. NQ is just more difficult to calculate, but I am working on that calculation as well. So you can see right here um, it calculated, we opened all the way down here, which we did, and then now we're what, 300, 200 and something points higher. Three. Yeah, 275 points higher, which is great. So yeah, I hope this gap holds tonight. Because if it does, then that means that my call for tomorrow will be will be in pretty good shape. Someone keeps texting me, so hang on, let me deal with that real quick. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, sorry, I just had to deal with that real quick. Um but yeah, it is again, it is not specifically formulated for NQ, so if you want to use it on NQ, I would just exercise caution because it, again, it is formulated for ES. And but because gold will move roughly the same way, it works for gold as well. So the way I view it is when you get up into these upper um, bands or lines, so to speak, you can kind of look at it as a mean reversion. The further away you get from the open, the more likely you are to come back from level to level. But again, I can't tell you how to use the indicator. Um, it's just pivot lines that it calculates. Up to you as to how you view it and trade it. But the indicator is free as of right now. Eventually, there will be a charge. Um, I'm contemplating anywhere from 40 to $50 a month. Um, and I've had people use it successfully and get payouts. So um, up to you whether you see value in it or not. But I think it's worth it. I'm using it. I'm getting payouts using it. So um, but yeah, right now we would be in what the strat would call mother bar situation. So until we break out of or what most traders would call an opening range at this point, but until we break out of one of these, then I'm just sitting on my hands. Especially right now, I'm in, still in my personal account. I did start this with $550, or I'm sorry, with $350 Thursday. So yeah, so I traded it Thursday and Friday. Basically got up to 500. I have my risk settings on Trade to shut off at $200 profit. So once I hit $200, it will lock out. I can't change that. And it's going to lock me from trading. So I've just got that set. I have not deviated from that. I haven't gone in and changed it, any of those things. And I just think having a personal account will probably make me a better trader as well. I've just noticed just in the couple of days from having it um, that I don't know why it keeps showing me I don't have enough internet video. Um, it's very strange. Uh, but yeah, so just in the couple of days from having it, then I feel like it's made me more patient about what trades that I take. Like I said, I'm gonna treat I treat my XFA and my personal account different than I will an evaluation account. But I just feel like that's normal. So saying you guys may experience buffer, I don't know why, so I apologize about that. I mean, I've got pretty good internet connection, so I don't know what's going on there. I will not be on stream along. I usually try to keep my Sunday streams pretty pretty tight, but just cuz I like to kind of relax on Sundays, but the best way for you guys to support my channel is use Apex code Blues Trades. That'll get you 80% off right now up until the 17th. So you can get a 50K for about 30 bucks. Um a little over $30 I think at the moment, but yeah, you can get a 50K for about $30. So just use my code Blues Trades. That'll get you 80% off there. Also, my code will work on Bullinox. And if you want any other links, you'll have to message me and I'll have to send them to you. But it'll work on Bullinox as well. Blues Trades for option two. Um, will work on there for Bullinox. So, but yeah, just in this mother bar situation here, open in range here on ES and NQ as well. I haven't looked at gold tonight. We can take a look at it. Um, same, same. Looks like it really shot up there, and then now back inside. Um, so you can draw a broadening formation here. Draw a broadening formation there. Probably here to here as well. So yeah, same scenario though. Just opened high, shot up, and then now just consolidating around. So I'll have alerts set, that sort of thing, so I can tell what's happening. But I'm just gonna wait until I get some more confirmation exactly what to do here before I make a especially if I make another trade tonight in my personal account. They did up the margin rate on that as well to 25%. Um so yeah, I've got to got to be super careful when you've got an increased margin rate there. Um because in a personal account there's I mean, if you reset that, that's a little bit different story than just resetting your evaluation or your PA account. Um so that's why I'm extra cautious in my personal account. Definitely more risk averse in the personal account. I tried a little something different in coffee. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, or really prefer tea, but I tried a little something different and had an interesting taste. I put some maca powder in here. It's supposed to kind of give you a more natural, sustained energy. So we'll see how it works out. But yeah, thought I'd give it a shot. Also put a little bit of Ceylon cinnamon and a little bit of cardamom in here as well. So um, I like that cardamom spice. It just has a really good taste to it, I think. And then a little bit of butter and a small amount of cream. So giving it a shot, just doing something a little bit different. Wonder if they're gonna TTO here like a double top here on gold. Very possible. Yeah, looks like it. Maybe a little bit here to fill this fair value gap and then back down. Okay, I can't let that wander. Oh, I got because it went for that other. It's going for that level up. I think. It's supposed to show me. Why is it not showing me the number? Why is it not showing me that number? I don't know. It should be showing me that number. It's 4050.3. So these red lines are supposed to be some sort of prime number. I don't quite understand this yet. I don't know. I don't understand this yet at all. So we'll have to see what what happens from. I don't. I don't know. Somebody was just telling me something about it, and I like math, but I don't understand this at all. Like, I mean, I don't understand how that's supposed to help me. Makes no sense to me. Gold moves incredibly fast, but I like it a whole lot better than I do in Q. We're in between these levels here, but be interesting to see if we go for this level 5, be level 5 on gold on my indicator. Yeah. Oh, this is a 2 minute too. I didn't realize I was on a 2 minute chart. Yeah, I don't quite understand these prime number lines. That doesn't really make much sense to me. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into it further before I make a determination. I don't quite I don't understand it at all really. I didn't really get any context from it. Somebody was just like, "Oh, the market's supposed to move at prime numbers," and I'm like, okay, we'll see. We'll see how that works out. I don't know about all that. So level 7 from Friday would have been 4066.9. Level 5 tonight's going to be 4070, 4080, then 4095. But this is pretty strong buying here on this hour here on gold for sure. Switch to a 30-minute time frame. We'll do 15 here on gold. I try not to buy in between levels. Like either I'm buying at the level or selling at the level, but I try not to buy or sell in between the levels. Just based upon my based upon this indicator and the math behind it, you just stand a better uh chance, better probability of making a profit at the levels versus in between them. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday night. Made some money there in the personal account and lost a little bit, but that's why you have stop losses in place. If you're wrong, that would you can get out with minimal damage at least. So anyway, I'm gonna get off here again. The best way to support my channel is like, subscribe, and use my affiliate code Blues Trades there at Apex and also Bull and Ox. So, all right, I hope you guys have a fantastic night. Um, Try to do a stream tomorrow during the day. I am off work, so I'm gonna um, probably trade most of the day. I got a couple things to do, but for the most part, I think I'm gonna trade a good portion of the day tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So, all right, hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Take care.